Okay, I had to make a slight adjustment for my window. The width of my window would not fit this piece, so I had to cut it a little bit. I knew that it was going to do that, and that's okay, no big deal. We aren't going to end up with our AC unit in this actual window, but the window we're putting it in just has stuff in that room right now, and I didn't want to have to move it all. So I did cut it knowing the size of the window it's going to end up in. Anyway, so I've got my piece in the window. It does say to go ahead and attach this before you put it in the window. Again, my window was a little bit of a issue, so I didn't put this on first. But what you do when you put this on is you just extend the end of it so that you can see these. It's kind of like you're kind of threading this onto the piece that goes in the window. And it's really easy. We've had so many portable air conditioning units because I think I mentioned already that we always have a portable air conditioner in our bedroom because we like to keep it really cold when we sleep. And economically, it just makes sense instead of running our giant house at a really cold temperature. So you can see it kind of creates a thread. So I'm going to go ahead and thread it. And there's little ledges right here on this piece. And that's what you kind of thread it onto. So I am going to, it does make it a little more difficult that it's on the window, but that's okay. I've got the bed right here. I'm just going to lay it here. And then you just twist it until it finds its way onto these threads. There we go. Just twisting it gently. I'm just spinning it and it has now threaded itself perfectly. So we're good there. Now, I am going to extend this out because it is going to have to be extended fully in order to attach to the AC unit at this particular window. But I mean, look at how far away it can be from your window. That's pretty crazy. So I will move the AC unit now a little bit closer. And the place that you're going to attach the hose is going to be right here on the back. And it does have a rectangular piece that's attached to the hose. And it will just very simply slide into place. Oop, we slide from this side. There we go. Done. So you can see that it has just slid right on there. That piece is still attached. That makes it, then you can kind of place it wherever you like. I'm going to go ahead and plug in the AC unit right here at this plug. It does mean I had to unplug my lamp. So I'm going to hit the button. On the plug, it is GFI protected on the plug itself in case you live in a place that has storms. The instructions walk you through everything so beautifully. I mean, it is just so clear. There's not only words, but there's pictures for every single thing, which is pretty incredible. So the remote control, let me see if I have my batteries in. I think I do. I do not. Let me go grab batteries. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. It does take 2 AAA batteries to run your remote control. Slide that back on. Okay, now we're in business. So I'm going to hit the power button and my unit has turned on. The remote control has all the same features as the top of the unit itself. So let's have a look at that just a little bit closer. Okay, so as you can see, you can lock the unit so that no one can mess with it. You can put it on sleep mode, which you can set up the temperature for sleep mode. You can set up a timer. You can change your temperature up or down. You can change the speed of the fan. You have different modes. You can hear it just kicked up really nicely. I did open up the vent. It does come closed, so I just opened it up, and the temperature of the air is wonderful coming out. And then obviously you have your power button, which is the exact same as the items you have here on your remote. So that makes it really nice and easy. The air coming out is very cold. Let's turn it down even more. So it tells you the temperature. Okay, so before when I had it on, it was blowing cold air, but honestly, it was on just fan, not on air conditioner. So I just turned it on air conditioner, and oh gosh, that air got cold really fast. I thought the other air was cold. I guess it was just because my room is cold. But yeah, that feels incredible. So then let's take our temperature down. Let's see how low she goes. Looks like 61 is going to be the lowest temperature that it'll go to, but the air immediately adjusted and it feels wonderful. So like I said, I think that this will do exactly what we need it to do in the bedroom that we're going to place it at our lake house. If I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that if you're looking for a portable AC unit, you will realize a couple of things. One, this is a nice small portable unit compared to the one we have on the other side of our bedroom that is quite a bit larger. And then two, it does throw some really great cold air. It has multiple functions, and I think it'll do exactly what you're looking for.